Good evening, people. I apologise for looking so horrific. I am so tired. But today I get to do my last and hopefully last ever A-level exam vlog. Today I had the last two, which meant for a very stressful day. I had geography paper 4 this morning, so that was like my coursework paper, and then I had physics this afternoon, and basically because we've had loads of like crap weather lately with snow and all the trains have been messed up and you know everything was like running late, and I had to get up to central London for my exam at 9. I was on the 6:18 train this morning, so I was up at 5:30 and I've not had enough sleep and I'm so tired, so I apologise if I'm just talking monotonously for the next however many minutes this is going to be. But anyway, I got there, I was there by like 7:30, which is ridiculous. There was no problems with the trains whatsoever. And I'd had a Red Bull because I was like, I'm not going to be able to function if I don't. So I had a Red Bull and I was so wired for geography. I was so wired, like my hand was shaking in the first sort of few paragraphs I wrote in geography. Like, I had to cross out every other thing because I just like, my hand just gone mental and scribbled something down instead of the word that I actually wanted to write. So yeah, I probably could have done with having a little bit longer before my actual exam, but never mind, I'm sure it's legible enough. But overall I think geography was fun. Like, I really enjoyed it. I mean, there were no problems with the questions, and they asked pretty standard things for the coursework part, and then for the statistical bit, they basically, sometimes they'll give you sort of a type of analysis or a type of presentation. You had to sort of explain why it's good and bad. And in this one, they basically gave me the presentational methods that I used in my own coursework, and then told me to like justify why it was good and why it was bad. So I couldn't have had it any better. So that was really good, and I saw the insert before I started the paper and I was like, oh, this is a godsend. So that went really well. I'm not worried about that at all. So then I had 3 hours to kill, which wasn't so fun because I run out of things to do for revision for physics. Like, I had nothing to do, so I sat for the majority of 3 hours doing nothing. I eventually got to my exam, and it was, I would say, horrendous. Like, the first part of the first question I was like, oh, this is awesome, I can do this. And then the second part of the question, it should have been easy, but I could not see what to do. And then the next part of the question flowed on from that, and you did the answer from that one, so I just had to make something up at the end. But yeah, there were just so many things that I was just like, what does this mean? And I went back to a lot of them and sort of worked it out. But there were a couple I was just like, I have no idea what this means. There were some explanation questions, like there was a 6 mark about MRI and principles of MRI, and that was something I was so crap at last year, and I can do that. I know I can do that now, so I'm pretty sure I've got all 6 marks. And then there was another, it was like the formation of a star such as the sun, or something like that. It was an explanation for astrophysics, so that was fine. So the explanation questions were okay, but it was just like, I don't know, weird calculation questions. I hope it went alright, but I just don't think it went as well as it could have. I don't know, I'm so tired. I'm trying not to dwell on it too much. I'm just trying to stay awake all at the same time. It doesn't seem like it's really over. Like, it's such an anticlimax when exams end, because it's like, oh my god, I've only got a day left, I've only got a few hours left, and then I'm free, and then you're free and nothing's different. You're doing the same things you normally would. You don't become like anything different. Nothing happens. There's no fanfare as you walk out. No, I don't know, balloons. Balloons would have been nice. Just some sort of celebration. But no, I went on the train, I got on the train and I played Temple Run 2 and it was glitchy and I died so many times for no reason. But that's a complaint for another day. But yeah, it's such an anticlimax, but I'm kind of glad that it's over. When I say kind of glad, I mean very glad. I'm so sick of looking at the same stuff, and I hope that I've done enough to get me the grades that I need, because if I have to do it again, I think I might actually lose my mind. The next relatively stressful task, or at least maybe not stressful, but there is a time limit on it, is the research I need to do for my Southampton interview, which is next Wednesday. I've done a little bit, but I haven't done enough to go into the interview and talk about it yet, so that's going to be done in the next week. But I've got a few days in which I've got hours now to do it, so that's okay. The best part about finishing is definitely going to Southampton tomorrow. I was going to go tonight, and then I thought, you know what, Chris is in lectures all day tomorrow, I'm going to be up really early and I'm just going to want to go to sleep, so I'm going to go on Thursday instead. So I'm going tomorrow. I'm there for like 11 days anyway, so it really doesn't make much difference, like 24 hours. So I'm going to spend tonight editing and uploading this, trying to stay awake until a decent time when I can go to sleep. I don't know if I'll finish packing tonight, I might just get up early and do it tomorrow. I haven't decided. I'm going to have dinner in like half an hour, so hopefully that'll give me some more energy to refuel and then I'll wake up a little bit. Although I did have a Kit Kat on the train and I feel nothing but a little bit nauseous, so it might have no effect whatsoever. Anyway, I'll leave it there. I can't believe my exams are over, this is crazy. It is crazy. Well done to anyone else who's made it to the end again, perhaps, like me. If you've still got some left, then good luck for them, obviously. I think that they last for another week, so I guess mine's finished relatively early, although I only had 4, so I guess that makes some sense. But yeah, I'm gonna go and sit and try and stay awake for a little bit longer. And yeah, thanks for watching. Tell me what you thought of the exams if you took them. I don't really expect anyone to be like watching this, but yeah, leave a comment if you did the exam, I suppose, and just tell me what you thought of it, because I thought the geography was excellent and I thought the physics was horrible. So yeah, I apologise for having such a dull video as well. I'm just so tired and I should probably wait and like wake up and do a better one, but I can't be bothered. I've got to go in the morning, well not in the morning, but I've got to get ready in the morning and just, no, I'm going to do it now and it's going to be bad. So yeah, next video up next Tuesday. I've already got one ready to upload when I'm away because I'm not filming and editing there. But yeah, I'll see you then. So I'll see you next week and thank you for watching. Bye!